In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use Importrange in Google Sheets. So what we're going to do is use a different document, take the data from this document. So we're going to copy the URL, and we want that data to be displayed in this particular document here. So what we're going to do is type equals import range, open brackets, and then quotes. We're going to paste in the URL so it's displayed like that. We're going to end quotes, then click comma, and then we're going to open quotes again and type sheet 1. And then we're going to close the quotes there. And then inside, all we need to do is type exclamation mark, and then we need to specify which cells we're interested in. So it'll be A1 to B2, and then we'll click enter. And now it's displaying the data that was from the other document.